Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Today's video is not going to be a repair video or a what's inside video. I received a bunch of stuff from AliExpress, and so I'm just going to open them and make a video out of it. I enjoy watching other channels when they do these sorts of things, so why not do it myself? So let's get right into it. I won't be providing any links or any sort of description of the items, but I mean, links go stale, but you can go on AliExpress and search for most of these things. Okay, so this is a digital clock kit. I had already built one of these, I'd say about over a year ago. I had ordered the red one. This one is a green one, and I have a plan to use it here on my desk. I'm sure you've seen this before. I might make a video out of this, building this. So this is the box that will eventually hold the clock. It's an alarm clock, 7 segments, USB, an IC holder, and the chips as well. And then obviously the typical bunch of components: resistors, transistors, buzzer, and it's a single-sided board, I think, and the necessary instructions. Oh, and that's a filter for the 7 segment. Alright, so this will be, I'll be making a video of building this kit. Once again, I enjoy watching others doing it, so maybe someone will enjoy me building this kit. Let's put everything back inside. Again, everything you're going to see today is from AliExpress, so you can search for it on there. Okay, so expect a digital clock build kit build in the future. I haven't had much stuff to work on lately to repair, so that's why I haven't made any videos. I actually did repair an automatic voltage regulator, and that one was amazing. I opened it up. It was made up of like 3 different boards connected, and I thought there's no way in hell I can fix it. Anyway, after a minute of visual inspection, it turned out to be a couple of cracked solders, and so it got repaired in like a minute. That was a fun thing. Oh, another thing I repaired also was a handy vacuum. Let me show you which one. It's not going to fit, so it's this sort of a handy vacuum. And so this one, it was always on the charger, and then one day took it off the charge, turned it on, and it died after about a minute. So charged it again, put it on the charger, and then like a minute or 2 after putting it on the charger, it showed that it was full. The battery was full. Again, tried to use it, and it died after a minute. Anyway, long story short, opened it up. It had 3 18650 batteries, one of which was fully charged to like 4.1 something, 4.15 I think volts. The other 2 batteries were only charged to 3.5 or 6 volts. So obviously the BMS, the battery management system in this device, is not the best. Anyway, so I ended up recharging the 2 batteries that were low. I charged them up with my supply to the 4.1 level like the other one, put it back in, and now it's back to normal. Okay, so this is a USB-C breakout board. I figured if I ever have problem with the USB-C and I need to test the individual pins, this would be very useful. And it comes with a USB-C female and male, both. And then the pins here are basically the pins inside the ports, so it's easier access. This might come in handy at some point. Next, come on. Okay, this is just soldering iron. I think they're called bush, soldering iron bush. It goes in this one, and it's to clean the tip. I saw people doing the test of using a magnet to see if these were actually brass or not. Let me see. Yeah, I have magnets here. So these are magnets, as you can see. Let's try it on this. No, it's not. It's falling off. So these are genuine brass bushes. I'm really happy about that. Normally, before I would buy cheaper ones, and I tested them with the magnet, and the magnet would really attach to them, so they weren't really brass. And the problem with those is that if they are made of like metal, they can ruin the soldering iron tip. So anyway, I'm going to throw the other ones away, and I'll be using this. This one also is a good one. The magnet doesn't attach to it. So very happy about this. Next, I bought two of them. There must be another one coming up. Oh, here we go. So that's the second one. Same thing. Same seller. Next. This is 4 pieces of screen clamps. I bought them. I actually also have a battery in this order for my phone, this phone here, that I use for filming. I've recently received 5 or 6 times this year a message that says battery deterioration detected. Go see Samsung for a new battery or something. Anyway, so I ordered a new battery from AliExpress. It should be in one of these packages. So there's 4 of them. As you can see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. And yeah, lovely. They had plastic versions and metal versions. I bought these are the metal versions. So if you have, I don't know, let's say this is the display, you would just put it down, tighten it to the necessary, on the screen I mean, and then tighten it to the necessary level like this, and that will hold the screen down when you've glued it. Anyway, if I change the battery on my phone, I'll probably do a video of it, and you might see these in action. The kit comes with 4 of them. I don't know how much I paid for it. Around $6, I think. $5 or $6 for the 4. There you go. Happy about that. It's always helpful when you have the right tools. Makes everything easier. Okay, next bag of, what is this? Ah, yes. These are, and it comes with double-sided, 6 pieces of double-sided tape. These are cable, it's magnetic. So you see magnet and probably metal on the other side. So it will hold it. And it's for cables, it's for cable management. You basically put one of these stickers here on the back and then stick it to something, and then you can pass your cable through here and then close it, and it will keep the cables here in line. So I have a bunch of cables here. Let's say I have this cable here, put it in there, close it, and now this will not fall out. It will be held. When you need it, you just pull it, use it, and then slide it back in like this. I have a few places where I want to use these, and so I thought, let's give these a try. It came in 6 pieces. I don't know how much I paid, but almost everything I buy from Ali are like peanuts. So maybe this is like, I don't know, $3-4 bucks. Alright, next item. Yes, I ordered a couple of King Bow plugs. I know a lot of people that use it, so figured why not give it a try. I bought 2 of them, again $3-4 bucks. I'm pretty sure these are not genuine, but if they work well, they work well. Okay, next. So this is a wick, solder wick, 1.5 meter. This is 2 millimeter, this one, and this one is 1.5 millimeter, the thickness of the, not the thickness, the width of the braid. Now, I ordered these because I saw a video from a channel. He does a lot of reballing. He's like a reballing expert. He repairs electronics. He does a lot of live streaming. If you enjoy electronic live streaming, you should check out his channel. It's called Swindon Electronic Repairs, and he's based in the UK, and he does like 4 or 5 streams every week, so he's quite active. I'll put a link to his channel in the description of this video. Anyway, so that's it. One is 2 millimeter, one is 1.5 millimeter. He had a high opinion of these, saying that they work very nicely, so I wanted to try them. There we go. So next, I'm probably gonna break this into 2 videos because I still have a lot of things to go through, and I don't want the video to be too long. How long have we been recording? 14 minutes. Okay. Yeah, I'm definitely. It might be 3 even videos. Okay. Aha. This is also something I've been looking forward to. For HDMI repairs, they're called. It's similar to the where is it? To the USB-C breakout board that I showed you before. This is an HDMI, and I have a male and a female. It's HDMI breakout boards. So again, if you suspect anything wrong with the actual ports or the pins inside the ports, you can plug this in, and then with a multimeter test on these vias here, which are connected to the pins inside. So I thought this might be useful also. Okay. These are just 1/4 watt collection of resistors. A whole bunch of them. Different values, but quarter watts. I'm going to be ordering some 1 watts also in the future, but oh, this one fell out. Oh, it fell out from here, from this one, I think. Anyway, I'll measure it and I can figure out what value it is. So this is like a resistor kit. I'm probably going to keep them in this bag until, or maybe I should get like a container, put them in a container. We'll see. Okay. Next. What's this now? Ah, yes. This is USB-A. Yeah. So you plug this into the computer, and you have 1, 2, 3. So it's like a mini portable USB hub. I need it because I'm running out of USB on my laptops. The one I use here for all the videos that I run. And this is basically the laptop that I do all the OBS on. Anyway, okay. So this will be used. Next, USB-C. USB-C cable, C to C, 2 meters long. I can recommend this brand because this is not the first time I buy these cables from this brand, and they've been good. So the brand is called Rocorin or Rocorin. Anyway, and so I have had good experience with their cables. So this is just a C to C, and I believe it's 2 meters. And it's 240, supposedly 240 watts. Cord length 2 meters, yeah. 2 meters, 240 watts. Okay, I'll do a couple more, and that will be it for this video. And I ordered 2 of them. So that's another one. Same thing. Yeah, 240 watts, 2 meters. Same thing. Okay, one more, and that will be it for this video. What's this now? USB Type-C charging dock. I don't know what that means. So let's open it. Ah, yes, okay, this is not for me. This is for a relative of mine. It's basically a charger for a watch. They have a smart watch. I forget the brand. Let me see if it's written here. Yeah, Fitbit Versa. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Anyway, so it's a charging dock for the Fitbit watch, and it's USB-C based. Plug this in, and then you put your watch right here. So that's not mine, but alright. There we go. Okay, so I think the video is coming on 20 minutes. That's a good enough video for now. And I will be doing maybe another 2 or maybe 3 unboxing videos because I still have a lot to go through. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.